Did you know that the cleaners under your sink could be silently weakening your immune system? We often think about diet, exercise, sleep when it comes to immunity, but your cleaning products could be your biggest hidden threat that's in your home. In this video, I'm going to show you how toxic cleaners impact your health, why they weaken your immune system, and some natural alternatives that you can use to help boost your immune system and help you to age better overall. Our immune system is our body's first line of defense. It protects us from viruses, bacteria, and toxins. But as we age, it naturally slows down. That's why women over 40 and beyond begin to notice that maybe they get sick easier or they don't recover as fast as they used to. Many don't realize that it's the products that we're using in our homes that either help or harm our immune system. Most store-bought cleaners contain harsh chemicals, things that are like ammonia, bleach, and synthetic fragrances, just to name a few. And here's how they affect your immune system. They can cause respiratory irritation. Those chemical fumes damage your lungs and they weaken your natural defenses. And then there's endocrine disruption. Some of the ingredients, they actually mimic hormones, which throws our natural immune system off balance. And of course, as I've talked about so often, there's your toxic load to consider. Your liver and your kidneys, they work really hard to detoxify your body. But when they have to work harder and harder because of all these other toxins, it leaves fewer resources to help fight and raise your immune system. That repeated exposure creates hidden inflammation, which is a key factor in both accelerating aging and lowering your immune system. When your immune system is constantly fighting off chemicals in your environment, it has less strength to fight off viruses and keep you feeling vibrant. There is some good news. You don't have to choose between having a clean home and your health. Natural do-it-yourself cleaners are not only safer, they're also affordable and they're very effective, I have come to find out. You know, using a combination of essential oils, vinegar, baking soda, and other natural ingredients can clean just as well, and I found sometimes better, without exposing your body to all those harmful toxins. And by reducing your toxic load, you're giving your immune system the support it needs to keep you healthier, happier, longer. I have put together for you all my best recipes that I've been using for decades, and tips and strategies in my book, Easy, Effective, Non-Toxic, Do-It-Yourself Household Cleaners to Save You Money Using Essential Oils. Inside it, you will learn how to replace common toxic products with natural alternatives. Step-by-step, do-it-yourself recipes using essential oils in most cases. Some simple swaps that will also help you to save money and protect your immune health. These are all things that I myself have been using and continue to use. Be sure to check the link below to get your copy on Amazon in an ebook or paperback book. By making these changes, you're not only creating a home that is lower in toxins, but you're also giving your body a chance to really thrive. So are you ready to protect your health, keeping your home fresh and clean? Grab your copy of my book today. Like I said, the link's below. And if you want more tips on how to help boost your immune system, be sure to check out my playlist on just that. And don't forget to subscribe to have more tips on natural living lifestyle, some essential oil tips, and all the things that I do to help myself age gracefully so I can be healthier, happier, younger, longer. See you in the next video.